In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. To get started, sign into your Salesforce account and make sure you're on the main Salesforce home area. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is open the app launcher. This is the grid icon, usually located in the upper left area of the screen. The app launcher lets you quickly move between different Salesforce objects and tools, so it's the fastest way to get where you need to go. After you click the app launcher, type contacts into the search bar and select contacts from the results. This will take you to the contacts section where you can browse or search for the specific contact you want to work with. Go ahead and open the contact you want to add to a campaign. Make sure you've selected the correct record before continuing, especially if you manage multiple people with similar names. Once you're on the contacts record page, scroll down until you find the campaign history related list. This section shows any campaigns the contact is already associated with, which can be helpful if you want to avoid adding them to the wrong campaign or duplicating work. In that related list, click Add to Campaign. A new window or panel will appear, prompting you to choose the campaign. Use the search option to find the campaign you want, then select it from the list. Take a moment here to confirm that you've picked the correct campaign, since campaign names can sometimes be similar. Next, choose a member status for that contact. This status helps track the contact's relationship to the campaign and where they are in the process. For example, you might choose sent, responded, or invited, depending on your organization's setup and the contact's level of engagement. Selecting the right status is important because it keeps your campaign reporting accurate and helps your team understand what actions have already taken place. When everything looks correct, click Save. Salesforce will then add that contact to the selected campaign, along with the member status you chose. After saving, you can usually confirm the update by looking again at the campaign history related list on the contact record. That's all it takes to add a contact to a campaign in Salesforce. If you'll be doing this often, getting familiar with the campaign history section and member statuses can save time and help keep your data clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see